So today we will be discussing about how do we do data comparison in CATIA V5. So first of all, we'll see this is my initial body here, and which I've already designed. We have done a design change. So this is my another body. So this is the design. I have added three different holes here and one feature addition over here. So this is a new design, which I have given part 2, and this is the old design without any holes or any feature in the center over here. So let's do the data comparison. We'll copy, we'll go into new product, we'll paste the old one, and let's give it a name called old design. Let's go to the new design, copy this one, paste it in the product. Let's name it as new design. So to compare two different design, we need to put the old and the new design in a product. So to identify, let's give the old design some new color. Say this is the new design, we'll give it some other color, say cyan. So it's clearly visible now that the new design don't have these whole features over here. And in the new design, in the cyan color, we have a feature addition. So let's do the data comparison now. First of all, we need to go, we have to go to the digital markup and get into this toolbar called DMU space analysis. So as you can see that already I have opened this DMU space analysis, and in this toolbar you can see that we have these different commands, shortcuts. So you can see this is the fourth one is called compare product. So we need to click on this part in this toolbar, then this command called compare product, and we will click on the old version over here, then we'll click on the new design, and we can decide what we want. Do we want a visual comparison, or we can go for a geometric comparison. So initially we will see visual comparison, and for both the version we'll reduce it to minimum and then shoot preview. So that's it. This is the data comparison. So you can see the one in yellow, whatever you see in yellow, that is the common design, and whatever you see in green, this is the material removal, and whatever you see here in the back side in red, that is nothing but material addition. This is how we do the data comparison in, of any design change. So generally this is used when we have a design change and we need to identify what changes have been done in the old and the new design. So we use this compare product tool to see the design change. Apart from this, we can use this geometric comparison also. Here we can, what are the features added and removed in a separate two pop-up window. So I'll make it 1, and then I'll say preview. This will give you more detailed comparison between the old and the new design. So you can see over here we have got a pop-up window open. This says that the old version, this is the new version. Saying the old version, this shows the material addition, this shows the material removed. So in the old version, this is the addition over here. So these are the removals here, and this is the material addition. And this way we can find out where are the material addition and where are the material removals. To you will see this the structure will be more fine if you reduce the computation accuracy. Let's make it 1. As you can see, the structure will be more precisely formed. So this way we can use geometric comparison, but if you want, you can use just visual comparison. If you want to see what are the added things, what are the features which are added in the new design. So this will just show you just material addition. And if I go, what are the material removals? Or what are the changed? Removed. What are the materials removed? So these are the materials which are being removed, and we'll see what are the changes that has been done. So you can see this is just, these are the highlighted areas, which these are the changed, but these are the changed materials, whatever has been marked over here. So you can see in the old design and new design, what are the changed material. So these 4 points are the changed material. Based on this, we can compare, we can check what are the design changes done. So thank you.